Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? How have you guys been? Hope you guys are doing well. Anyways, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this jollof spaghetti recipe. Very simple, very easy, very fast, and trust me, very delicious. Okay, if you want to see how I created this recipe, then keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe. Okay. Okay, so here I have my spaghetti already boiling in the pot. I added salt. So what I did was put water, put salt, bring it to a boil before putting the spaghetti. So I'm just turning it, to loosen up everything and make sure they don't stick. Now into a wider fresh pot, I'm going to be adding oil. Okay, put some oil in there, allow it to heat up a bit. I'm using this really wide pot because that's what that's what you'd rather use. So I just added a bit of salt. I'm putting ginger and garlic. You guys, this ginger and garlic is very important. See, this recipe is kind of a freestyle. Nothing was really planned. This is something you can just cook up in your kitchen. So anyways, this ginger and garlic is really important. It gives it this unique taste. If you don't add this, I don't know, it might not taste the same, but this ginger and garlic, it's really important, you guys. Okay, don't skip it. You can hear that sizzling. So now I'm putting in onions, putting as much onions as you want, and you want to make sure you chop your onions this way. Let it be straight like this. Let it not be cut into tiny pieces. Let it be straight and long like this. This is how you want it to be. So I'm just going to stir that for about 3 minutes. Let that ginger and onions come to a fry. When you start perceiving, as in that one really nice sweet smell that you can't explain, that you're ready to add in any other thing. So now I'm putting blended tomato and I think tatashi and pepper. That's what I have in here. If you don't have this, it's fine. You can just use tomato paste. It still works. But because I had this, so yeah, that's why I used it. But tomato paste is fine. It's just that you have to use more tomato paste. So here, I think I used about 2 tomato paste or 3. I'm not sure. I think it was 2. Yeah, 2 tomato paste. But if you're not going to be using fresh blended pepper and tomato, you have to use about 3 for one full spaghetti or for 1 pack of spaghetti. Okay, so I'm just stirring all of that in, allowing it to fry, mix it all up. Okay, so here I'm putting in curry. So I just use few spices. I think I use just curry. Anyway, you see that as I go. Here I'm adding white pepper. This is optional, actually, very optional. And then I'm adding my seasoning cube. Like I said, this is a very freestyle, very simple stuff. Okay, use minimum spices and you achieve that beautiful jollof spaghetti. Okay, so I'm just covering that up to fry a little bit before we move on to the next thing. Ooh. Okay, so just stirring it, you don't want it to allow it burn, so you want to, keep stirring. So I'm just taking out excess oil. You guys know me. I always put in so much oil so that it can fry properly, and then when I'm ready to add any other thing, I'll remove excess oil. So yeah, this is what you can do. So at this point, I didn't know what on my phone I was using to record. The stand was just doing its own thing, so that's why it looks a bit funny. So I just put in carrots and chopped green bell pepper. So here you can use any type of vegetable that you want. You can use the yellow bell pepper. You can use the red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, anyone you want to use, but just use green and carrot here. And so now I'm adding my spaghetti bit by bit, as you can see. Now I'm adding the second part because you want to be able to mix it in really well. So that's why I didn't just put everything together, so I can mix it properly. So yeah. So I switched spoons because that one was more like an iron spoon or a metal spoon. It would kind of break it up. So I switched to a wooden spoon, which is a lot softer on the spaghetti. So now I just added my last batch of spaghetti and I'm gonna mix till they are all fully incorporated into the tomato sauce. right? That's the word. So yeah, just mixing really well, you know, until you're satisfied that everything has been properly mixed. Now I'm just adding a little bit of salt. So I mean, you can always taste to know if it needs more seasoning or it needs more salt, or you know, whatever I need, you can always taste to verify and then add in any more. And if it's okay, then it's fine. So I'm just stirring to mix it all in. So you can see we are done, less than 5 minutes. It didn't even take time. Very simple, very fast. Like you don't need to kill yourself in the kitchen, okay? This was really fast. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. If you try out this recipe, please let me know. Tag me, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, share, like, tell everybody, please come to this channel. We need to grow this channel, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.